ISOPON has a repair solution for almost any damage, and in this video we're going to be showing you how to use the ISOPON Fibreglass repair kit. This kit is great for auto body and rust repairs, fiberglass kit cars, as well as wood, metal, most plastics, stone and other materials. So let's take a look at what comes in the box of the Fibreglass repair kit for metal, wood and other materials. You'll find several pairs of protective gloves, a resin application brush, mixing sticks and a mixing cup, resin, as well as hardener for the resin, a generous amount of fiberglass matting, as well as a manual that shows you step-by-step instructions of every aspect of fiberglass repair. This represents a typical fiberglass repair that's both structural and cosmetic and requires two different stages of repair. To mix the resin, first break the seal and pour 20 milliliters into the provided mixing cup. The mix ratio is 1 pea-sized drop of catalyst per 10 milliliters of resin, which is easily dispersed into the cup from the foil pack. Then mix thoroughly until you don't see any streaks in the mixture. The catalyzed resin then gets applied using the brush that comes with the kit, and since it's catalyzed now, it needs to be used within 5 minutes. Apply the catalyzed resin to both sides of the repair, both on the subject wing and on the pieces that are broken off. And then allow the resin to kick or to cure. This should take about 15 to 30 minutes. In this case, the broken parts fit the panel easily, so clamp them into place with locking pliers whilst the resin kicks and hardens. After unclamping the repair, wipe it down with acetone, which also works great for cleaning your mixing cup and your application brush. Using coarse sandpaper on a block, level the uneven edges to the surrounding area, creating a key on the fiberglass gel coat for the next level of repair to stick to. For the second portion of this repair, cut the fiberglass matting larger than the repair itself. You can toot it in later. The correct ratio for resin to hardener is 1 pea-sized dollop per 10 milliliters of resin. You've got 20 milliliters of resin, so measure out 2 dollops onto the mixing stick and stir thoroughly. It's very important that you thoroughly mix the hardener into the resin so that no streaks of hardener are visible. Remember, this resin is now activated and it needs to be used within 5 minutes. Back brush the sanded top side of the repair, add resin to one side of the matting and place it on top of the repair. Make sure your fiberglass matting is totally saturated with resin. Just use a piece of simple tape to wrap the matting around the bottom side and complete the curvature. This needs to set for 20 to 30 minutes until the resin kicks and cures. After the resin has dried for 20 to 30 minutes, finish up roughing in the repair and getting the contours, corners and edges perfectly aligned. To achieve a smooth finish, this fiberglass repair can now be treated with ISOPON body fillers. ISOPON really does have an easy repair solution for almost any damage. So for more information on the fiberglass repair kit and its alternative uses, or any other ISOPON products, be sure to check out our website at isopon.co.uk.